every time.
In this video, we are visiting Chester Zoo. Chester Zoo is based in Upton near Chester and it's one of the UK's largest zoos with a massive 51 acres. That's huge. There's over 500 species of animals and 35,000 animals in the park alone. We've got a lot of walking around to do.
Welcome to Chester Zoo. So we're in Chester Zoo, taking Jacob back home after a busy holiday. Back to the chimps.
No.
Kerry's over here. Ella's in her pram for now. And we're going to have a look around the zoo, look around all the animals. And, well, we've just arrived at the elephants. Let's take a look. Got the elephants?
Yeah.
Let's have a look. See the elephants, Oliver? What does the elephant do? Is it Edmund?
Edmund the elephant.
So the plan is to start at the islands and work our way back. We've just seen the elephants. Some monkeys over here. And Jacob. But we'll head towards the islands and work our way back because we always end up there last and rushing around. We might even see Timon and Pumbaa.
I want to see capybara.
Oh, and the capybaras, Jacob's favourite. Here we are at the islands. Half a construction site because they're building a new Africa section. We'll have a look round and see what animals are here. It's the famous Digosaurus, nearly extinct. Lots of money spent to come here, and all we've seen so far are some squirrels and an elephant. So far so good. Having fun, Jacob?
Yeah.
There's a tiger around here I can feed you to.
Yeah, probably. Feed you to it.
You'd have more of a feast off me. There they are. Let's go find some tigers. Eleanor's out walking, desperate to jump in any puddle she sees. Let's see if we can find the tiger. And I'm going to say, the last couple of times we've been, we've not seen it. No sign of the tiger again. Is there a tiger, Jacob? Does a tiger exist at Chester Zoo? Have you ever seen the tiger?
No, because it's always hiding.
Yeah. We'll keep looking. Jacob thinks he's spotted the tiger. I think you're lying.
There it is.
Just through the grass.
Hello.
Where's he going? He's huge. Are you showing you his teeth? Oh, got the flies on his bum. Found the tiger. A happy way to see the tiger, Jacob. Is that your happy tiger face? I guess that's a good thing then.
Yeah.
Eleanor's still with us. Kerry's behind. What are we looking at now, Jacob? Monkeys. Let's have a look. Can't see anything. Where is everyone? We're at Jacob's favourite spot, the capybaras, and there's one just hiding over there. Right at the back. Just moving his head up and down. Let's take a closer look. Jacob's happy he saw the capybaras. He wants one, so we might be taking one of them home later just to get our money's worth. And just come to the rhino enclosure, and not a single rhino. Nope. 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 We'll look again later. Persian onager. Bit like a donkey, Jacob. Do you know what donkeys get for dinner?
No.
Half an hour like everybody else. What? Donkeys?
Yeah.
What do they have for dinner?
I don't know.
Half an hour like everybody else.
I don't get it.
Never mind.
I'm probably getting. Oh, you then.
Let's go to the lions. Yeah, and the giraffes. So we're looking around the lion enclosure. No luck so far, they must be sleeping. Where's the other? There's one. Oh yeah. Hiding in the grass.
Let's see if we can find some big lions. Why don't you think dragons? Big lions. Wait, there's one more lion, isn't there?
Hiding tigers. Oh,
What is it?
she's looking right at me. So that's all the lions. There's usually a big male, but he's not here today. Every time. Every time. He's come out to play. They're gonna have a fight.
No.
Rothschild's giraffes. This wall used to be part of the lion habitat before they moved in 1983. Look closely to see marks by the lions as the used the brickwork to sharpen their claws. There we go. Bit of history. So they would have sharpened their claws all the way to Chester Zoo to see some bricks. But we are heading into the park to find some food. Jacob's off on a discovery mission. Busy refueling with burgers before we head back outside. Right there, Jacob?
I'm not convinced by that.
Oh. Solid. Oh. Mine's alright. Eat it, see if you'd be sick.
Definitely said like that.
Don't know. Red panda. Right, Jacob, here's your bed for the night. You stay there and we'll see you next time we come, yeah? It's Jacob's bed for the night.
Good.
So we've refueled, we've been to see the snow leopard, we've seen the red panda as well, high up in the tree. Now we're going to see the penguins. Elder set, ready, steady, penguin!
Oh, hang on. That's not good. That's not good at all. After a very busy and long day with lots to film at the zoo, our battery died. Never mind, never mind. Chester Zoo, though, is a great day out for all the family. Tickets start at £31.50 for adults, £24 for children, and there's also free for under 12s and £2.50 for toddlers ages 1 to 2 years old. You can find out more as well on their website at chesterzoo.org, because prices may vary. But do, if you go, have a wonderful time and make sure to take some extra batteries for your camera.